Is your POCO phone frozen or not responding? It can be frustrating, especially when you need it urgently. In this video, we'll explain the common causes and share 11 quick fixes plus a safe solution if basic methods don't work. Part 1. Why is my POCO phone frozen? Glitches, minor bugs, low storage, bad apps, weak battery, RAM overload, update bugs, corrupt cache, malware, hardware issues. Part 2. How to fix POCO phone frozen efficiently. 10 quick methods. Fix 1. Force restart POCO. A force restart is the quickest and most effective solution when your POCO phone is completely frozen and does not respond to touch or buttons normally. Fix 2. Charge the device. Low battery levels can cause your POCO phone to freeze, lag, or become unresponsive, especially if background processes are still running. Even if the battery indicator shows some power, voltage instability may still trigger freezes. Fix 3. Remove the phone case and accessories. Third-party cases, magnetic covers, game triggers, or USB accessories can affect touch, sensors, or performance. Removing them helps identify if freezes are caused by hardware interference. Fix 4. Reduce animations. Turn off animations in accessibility or developer options to prevent freezes. Fix 5. Free up space. Delete unused apps, caches, and large files in settings storage to improve performance. Fix 6. Disable floating windows and pip. Turn off floating windows, split screen, and pip to reduce RAM usage and prevent freezes. Fix 7. Reset or switch launcher. Clear launcher data or use the default launcher to fix home screen freezes. Fix 8. Safe mode. Check boot in safe mode to disable third-party apps. If smooth, uninstall recent or problematic apps. Fix 9. Scan for malware. Use a security app to detect and remove malicious apps causing freezes. Fix 10. Factory reset. Reset the phone to remove apps, data, and settings. Fixing deep system issues. Fix 11. Contact support. If freezes persist, hardware may be the cause. Visit POCO support or a trusted repair shop for diagnosis and repair. Part 3. Troubleshoot POCO phone frozen with the highest success rate. How to fix a frozen POCO phone using Android Repair. Install and open Android Repair on your computer. Select System Repair and connect your POCO via USB. Choose Android Repair. Review issues and click Start. Enter device info. Click Next. Input 000000. Confirm. Optional home button. Devices. Power off. Press Sprint plus Home plus Power plus. Volume down 10 seconds. Release volume up to enter download mode.